But I have 2 years clean and sober myself. Clean and sober myself. Clean and sober myself.
Clean and sober means that a person is not using alcohol or drugs and are typically in recovery from substance addiction. The phrase combines two ideas: clean, free from illicit drugs such as cocaine, heroin, methamphetamine, etc. Sober, not drinking alcohol. Example 1, he has been clean and sober for 2 years. Example 2, she is working hard to stay clean and sober and rebuild her life.
I'll straighten it out. I'll straighten it out. I'll straighten it out.
I'll straighten it out means I'll fix the problem, deal with the situation, or make things clear and organized. It is often used when something is wrong, confusing, or messy, and you are saying that you will take care of it. Example 1, there's a mistake on my bill. I'll call the company and straighten it out, meaning I'll contact the company and fix the problem. Example 2, don't worry about the misunderstanding. I'll talk to him and straighten it out, meaning I'll talk to him and clear up the misunderstanding. Straighten out means to solve, fix, or organize a problem, situation, or misunderstanding so that everything becomes clear or in the correct order.
I've come a long way. I've come a long way. I've come a long way.
I've come a long way means I have made a lot of progress or improved greatly compared with where I started. Example 1, I've come a long way since I first started learning English. Example 2, she has come a long way since she started her new job.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Here we go means something is starting now or you are ready to begin something. Example 1, here we go, the movie's starting. Example 2, okay everyone, here we go. Let's begin the meeting.
Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Don't judge a book by its cover means you should not judge someone or something based only on their appearance, because appearances can be misleading. Example 1, he looks very serious, but he's actually a kind and funny person. Don't judge a book by its cover. Example 2, the restaurant looks small and simple from the outside, but the food is amazing. Don't judge a book by its cover.
We don't need people here to take sides. We don't need people here to take sides. We don't need people here to take sides.
Take sides means to support one person or group in a disagreement or conflict, instead of remaining neutral. Example 1, I don't want to take sides in their argument. Example 2, when the two coworkers started arguing, their manager refused to take sides.
But when I get in the kitchen, it's game on. But when I get in the kitchen, it's game on. But when I get in the kitchen, it's game on.
Game on means you are ready to compete, accept a challenge, or begin a competition or activity. Example 1, you think you can beat me? Game on. Example 2, the two teams are ready, the players are on the field, and the coach says, game on.
Put him in a home, out of sight, out of mind. Put him in a home, out of sight, out of mind. Put him in a home, out of sight, out of mind.
Out of sight, out of mind means when you can no longer see or think about someone or something, you gradually stop thinking about it or remembering it. Example 1, I put the cookies in the cupboard and now I don't think about them anymore. Example 2, after she moved to another city, we slowly lost touch. Out of sight, out of mind.
We'll split up, cover more ground. We'll split up, cover more ground. We'll split up, cover more ground.
Split up means to separate or go in different directions. It can describe people who stop being together, such as friends, couples, or people who were traveling together. Example 1, we decided to split up and look for the missing dog in different areas. Example 2, they split up after dating for 3 years.
In your condition, in your condition, in your condition.
In your condition means considering your physical, mental, or general situation right now. It is often used when someone's current situation affects what they should or shouldn't do. Example 1. In your condition, you should get some rest instead of going to work. Example 2. In your condition, I don't think you should exercise too hard.
Problem solved. Problem solved. Problem solved.
The phrase problem solved means that an issue has been fixed or a difficulty has been resolved. It's often used to indicate that no further action is needed. Example 1. I fixed the broken computer. Problem solved. Example 2. We found a new apartment, so problem solved.
It's always been this way. It's always been this way. It's always been this way.
The phrase, "it's always been this way," means this situation is not new. Things have been like this as long as one can remember. People use it to explain why something is happening or to suggest that a situation is normal even if it's not ideal. Example 1. Why is this office always so messy? I don't know, it's always been this way. Example 2. Why does this old house make strange noises at night? Don't worry, it's always been this way.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful English expressions and everyday phrases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.